And now imagine two empty glasses in which a lit candle is put into the first one, and with the second, make the action of pouring something into the first beaker, and suddenly the candle goes out. It may look like sorcery, but in reality, it is just an interesting experiment to see the effects of different densities between gases. The purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate that carbon dioxide is denser than air and as a consequence heavier, and so it is going to deposit at the bottom of the beakers.
Than air. So the materials are going to be two beakers, a candle, matches, or in this case a lighter, baking soda, and vinegar. Okay, place the two beakers in front of you and pour about 2 fingers of vinegar into the first beaker. Then add about a teaspoon of baking soda. And notice that an abundant effervescence is created. What do you think this is? Sorry?
I said foam.
Foam.
Like bubbles. Foam.
Yes, but what do you think the substance is? Okay, it's CO2.
CO2,
Okay,
carbon
then
dioxide.
light the candle. And put it into the beaker containing the reaction, and notice that the candle goes out because the carbon dioxide that is produced has deposited at the bottom of the beaker, eliminating the oxygen that keeps the flame alive. So to prove this happening once again, pour another bit of vinegar into the same beaker. Add another teaspoon of baking soda and let it react for a few seconds. Okay, now we make the gesture of pouring an invisible substance into the other beaker. Okay, now we light now we light the candle again.
Ask before doing it. Ask.
So before putting the candle into the empty beaker, what do you think will happen to the candle? Will the flame be kept? Yes.
Who says no? Who says yes and who says no? Please, up your hands. You say?
It'll stop burning.
Stop burning. Who agrees with him? Oh. Who does not agree? Let's check. Wow, you were right.
And now we'll light the candle once again.
Ask before.
And
what do you think?
do you think the candle will go out, or do you think the flame will be kept
In this one.
this beaker?
Who says it goes out? Who says?
Who says it doesn't go out? Okay. Let's proceed.
Great.
It doesn't
You
go
were
out
right.
because the carbon dioxide was transferred from this beaker to the empty beaker, and since it's denser, therefore heavier than air, the CO2 has deposited at the bottom of this beaker.
Okay, so as we can see with this experiment, carbon dioxide, also known as CO2, does not favor combustion. So, for example, it can be used during fire extinguishers to put out the fire. And I'm not sure if it has ever happened where you live, but in Italy from time to time we also hear news of tanker cleaners dying because of the dense presence of carbon dioxide in the tank. And to avoid this from happening, there are usually a couple of tests, such as, for example, putting a lighten up torch in the tank to see how dense the carbon dioxide is. Thank you.
And then you put a teaspoon of baking soda inside the beaker. And then you light the candle. And yeah, you put it inside the beaker.
Oh, now try to pour the invisible in the other beaker. Be careful, be careful. Okay. Now try again with the candle in this one. See if you. Oh, very good. No CO2. Great. Experiment was done. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.